Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laris, and for today's video, I'll teach you how to remove an image background in less than 3 minutes. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload new videos like this. Let's get started. So we're not going to use applications like Photoshop or Canva or anything. Although you can do that on those applications. For Canva, you can use Canva Pro, and there is an option for you to remove an image background or download a photo with a transparent background. But here, you can use this for logos, for products, like product listings in Amazon and eBay usually have white background, so this might help you guys, and this is a free tool that we can use online. So what we need to do is to open up remove.bg. So here, this is a free tool. Once you're already on the website, you can see here upload image. So just click on that and then select the image that you want to use or remove the background. So I'll use this one. I'll use this one for an example. So just upload it and then the image background will be removed. So it also depends on the speed of your system and your internet connection. So if you can see here, the background is already removed. And then you can download it directly. So let's say there's some things or some background left on the picture or the image. You can use this eraser or restore tool to erase it or to restore any parts of the background that you already removed. Aside from that, you can also blur out. If you don't want the image background to be removed totally, there's an option here to just blur out. And then there are also photo backgrounds that you can choose from here on the bottom. And then you can download it. Or a solid color. And this is free. So if you can see here, when we go back, there's option here to download high resolution. So for that, you need to have a subscription or pay per picture. So let's go to pricing. So here, the free account, if you sign up or sign in, you will have 1 free credit. So you can download 1 high resolution picture. If you don't want to sign up, you can still use this for free. So here, there's a subscription plan which provides you a number of credits every month, depending on your needs. So this is the credits, or you can just pay per picture here. Pay per picture or buy credits. So guys, that will be all, and I hope you find this video helpful in removing background for logos, products, and many more. So if you like this video, click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, again, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload new videos and tutorials like this. So again, thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next video.